Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Learn Easy. In this video, we will cover the concept of visualizing solid shapes. In this, we will understand how to identify and match the pictures with the objects, drawing 2D representation of 3D objects. Also, we will count the number of vertices, edges and faces and verify the Euler's relation for 3D figures with flat faces. For example, cubes, cuboids, tetrahedrons, prisms and pyramids. Friends, if you like my video, please hit the like button, and if you haven't subscribed my channel yet, please press the bell icon to subscribe the channel for more wonderful videos. Let us start with understanding what is visualizing of solid shapes. Perspective is the art of representing solid objects on a flat surface to show its height, width, distance, etc. 3D bodies have different views from different positions. If we say that plane shapes have two dimensions like the length and the breadth, that is why they are called as two-dimensional. But on the other hand, if a solid object which has three dimensions, say its length, breadth, height or the depth, it is called a 3D object. So friends, in this we will understand about how does a rectangle, which is a 2D shape, and converted into cuboid, that is a 3D shape, has how many edges, vertices, shapes and figures. आइए इसको समझते हैं थोड़ा सा डिटेल में. You can see on the screen there are 3D shapes. The first shape is cube. Now the cube has been made from the shape called square. Square is a 2D shape, whereas cube is a 3D shape, right? If I start with cuboid, cuboid means it is a 3D shape and it has been made from the shape called rectangle. Now rectangle is a 2D shape. You should know what is a 3D shape, what is a 2D shape, right? If I talk about sphere, that means sphere is a 3D shape and the circle is a 2D shape. Understood? So that means first we are understanding the 2D shape and with it we will understand which are the 3D shapes. Now if I talk about cone, cone is a 3D shape. It is made with the help of a triangle plus the circle, and both these shapes are 2D shapes. If I talk about cylinder, it is again a 3D shape which is a combination of two circles, that is circles plus the rectangle. When we open any cylinder, we will get two circles, one at the top, other at the bottom, and then we will get one rectangle. And if I talk about a pyramid, which is again a 3D shape, if I want to find which all 2D shapes are used to make a pyramid, that is a triangle along with either a square base or a rectangular base, right? Alright. बढ़ते हैं इसमें आगे. Now I have told you what is sphere, what is cylinder. Now let us match so that I also get to know and you also understand the shapes. If I talk about the first shape, that is cone, cone is option number A. If I talk about this shape which is made using the squares, squares is made using a cube. Also, if I call this shape which was used made a rectangle along with two circles at the either tops, so that is a cylinder. Alright. If I talk about this shape, the D shape, this is a hollow sphere. So, this is the first option, that is the sphere. But now if I come to my 2D shapes, that is, this is obviously the rectangle where we have two length and breadth, and here if I talk, the one option we are left with, that is circle. So friends, you should know what is a sphere, what is a cylinder, what is a rectangle and sphere and circle and cone. So you need to learn these by heart. Thank you. Let us move forward to understand the concept of faces, edges and vertices. Now, what is a face, what is an edge and what is a vertex? Edge means sides. Edge means sides. Face means the flat surface and vertex means the angle where the sides are meeting. So here we have understood two concepts, right? One is vertex, another is side and another is face. So faces are the flat surfaces, edges are the sides of the two connecting surfaces and vertex is the angle between the edges, right? So if I talk about the first figure cube, if I want to calculate the number of vertices, so the number of vertices, let me calculate 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So if I talk about cube, the number of vertices are 8. Let me calculate number of edges and number of faces. So there will be 6 faces. Front face, back face, top face, bottom face, left face, right face. And if I talk about the edges, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So there are 12. Similarly, so this is valid for any cube. If I talk about cone here, cone, one flat face, curved edges, curved face and the vertex at the top. If I want to understand for cylinder, curved face, curved edges and a flat face. And if I want to, for pyramid, this first one was cube, second is cone, third is cylinder and fourth one is pyramid. Pyramid, that means edges, faces and vertices. Let us move forward. So this is the table which is important from your examination point of view. This is the table based on to understand the Euler's formula which says face subtracted with edges plus the vertices is equals to 2. So you have lots of questions in the exam which will say please verify the formula, Euler's formula, say for cuboid, cube, cylinder, cone, sphere, triangle, pyramid or any other such shape. Now कैसे करते हैं इस वाले को? Let us understand with that. नंबर ऑफ फेसेस हो गए F, वर्टिसेस को हमने डिनोट करा V से, एजेस को हमने डिनोट करा E से. If I want to tally whether Euler's formula has been satisfied or not, let me say number of faces. Faces कितने हैं? 6 minus edges कितने हो गए? 12 plus vertices 8. So yes, the result is 2. If I go with this one, number of faces 6, edges 12 plus vertices, again I am getting 2. So it holds true for cuboid, cube. Let me check for cylinder. Cylinder में कैसे होते हैं? Whether to verify a figure or a shape whose faces are polygons. Polygons जो होते हैं is called a polyhedron. ठीक है, जो भी शेप पॉलीगन्स के शेप में होंगे, ट्रायंगल, क्वाड्रिलेटरल्स, वो होंगे पॉलीहेड्रॉन. राइट, चेक करें पॉलीहेड्रॉन सिलेंडर होता है या नहीं होता. फेसेस कितने हो गए? 3, एजेस 2 और हमारे पास वर्टिसेस कोई नहीं है, ये आ गया 1. दैट मीन्स सिलेंडर इज नॉट अ पॉलीहेड्रॉन. ओके, कौन के लिए करते हैं? 2 minus 1 plus 1, 1 plus 1 2, yes. ओके, स्फीयर के लिए करते हैं 1 minus 0 plus 0, that is 1. Again, this is not a polyhedron. If I talk about triangular pyramid के लिए कैसे करेंगे? 4 minus 6 plus 4, that is 2. Yes. So triangular pyramid is a polyhedron. So this is very important for all of you to write down the check. This, without this you will not understand that whether it is a polyhedron or not. ऑलराइट, बढ़े आगे, क्लियर है ये वाली टेबल। आइए अब हम पढ़ते हैं नेट्स। ना व्हाट आर नेट्स? जब भी हम किसी 3D शेप को ओपन करते हैं उसके साइड्स के अलोंग या उसके बाउंड्री के अलोंग, हम वी फाइंड द नेट। Now net is a skeleton outline of a solid that can be folded into. We used to make dice. Yes, one of the good examples for cube is dice. Dice में हमारे पास numbers होते हैं, right? 6 ऐसे होता है, 1 2 3 4 5 6. So when we fold this, we will get a dice. If I talk about cylinder, I told you cylinder consists of rectangle and 2 circles. So when we are folding, yes, when we have a cylinder like this, yes, so when we are folding along, roll करेंगे इसके around, we will find one rectangle and 2 circles on either tops. Same here, this is a square, this is a triangle. Open करेंगे, join करेंगे, we will get a pyramid. Cone, when we are opening cone, we are getting one circle which is matching to here and the flat surface which is the triangle. So these are 4 nets which you need to draw so that you understand the concept of nets. Nets are used for building 3D shapes. Alright. अंडरस्टैंड करते हैं नेट विद द हेल्प ऑफ वन क्वेश्चन। अगर हम क्यूब को ओपन करें, सबसे पहले एग्जांपल अभी हमने करा डाइस, जब हम क्यूब को ओपन करेंगे तो हमें मिलेगा ई पार्ट, दैट इज योर क्यूब ऑफ नेट ऑफ द क्यूब। इफ आई ओपन अ सिलेंडर, अभी आपको बताया सिलेंडर जैसे ही ओपन करेंगे तो हमारे को क्या मिल जाएगा, 2 सर्कल्स एंड 1 रेक्टेंगल। हम कोन को ओपन करेंगे, वी विल गेट 1 ट्रायंगल विद द कर्व्ड सरफेस एंड अ सर्कल एट द टॉप, राइट। उसके बाद हम बात करते हैं ट्रायंगुलर पिरामिड की। ओपन करेंगे ऑल ट्रायंगल्स बिकॉज द बेस वाज आल्सो ट्रायंगल। डोंट गेट कंफ्यूज कि पीछे हमने स्क्वायर बेस लिया, यहाँ पे ट्रायंगल बेस आ गया, इट इज वन एंड द सेम थिंग। ओके, कभी ट्रायंगल बेस हो सकता है, कभी स्क्वायर बेस हो सकता है, कभी रेक्टेंगुलर बेस भी हो सकता है। उसके बाद सर्कल, सर्कल का नेट सेम रहता है, दैट इज स्फीयर का नेट इज सेम। So please you have to learn this table also to understand the concept of nets of 3D shapes. All right. Draw the nets of the following polyhedrons. अगर हम बात करें, अगर हमको ग्राफ शीट पे बनाने हैं, yes, now you can also use a graph sheet to make the nets. Draw the nets of the following polyhedrons. Cuboid. नेट का पैटर्न कैसे बनेगा क्यूबॉइड का, यू विल हैव रेक्टेंगल्स। कितने रेक्टेंगल्स आएंगे, जितने हमारे नंबर ऑफ फेसेस होते हैं। प्लीज रिमेंबर, नंबर ऑफ फेसेस इज इक्वल टू नंबर ऑफ रेक्टेंगल्स इन क्यूबॉइड्स। अगर हमने बोला हमारे पास 6 फेसेस हैं क्यूबॉइड के, लेट अस चेक 1 2 3 4 5 एंड 6, तो हमारे पास आ गए 6 फेसेस, तो हमारे पास 6 फेसेस थे, हमारे पास 6 रेक्टेंगल्स आ गए। अगर हम बात करें ट्रायंगुलर प्रिज्म में विद द बेस एज इक्विलेटरल ट्रायंगल, देखो यहाँ पे आपको मेंशन कर दिया है, बेस क्या हो जाएगा, इक्विलेटरल ट्रायंगल। ठीक है, इक्विलेटरल ट्रायंगल का बन गया बेस ट्रायंगुलर प्रिज्म। So this is the answer for the second part. Square pyramid, that is a square base, you have triangles all over to make a net pattern of a square pyramid. आगे बढ़ते हैं। Now we will understand various types of views. अभी हमने पढ़ा, अगर हम किसी को भी व्यू करते हैं, टॉप व्यू, फ्रंट व्यू, बैक व्यू, there is lot of difference. Yes, in the front view, if I talk about a box of any food packet, the front view may consist of the name of the food article. Side view may consist of the seal where the food packet can be opened from, and the back view might contain the barcode, the MRP, the expiry date. So friends, there are a lot of views of any shape, any solid shape we will understand through these examples. आइए इसमें सबसे पहला व्यू हम जो पढ़ेंगे, इसमें That is your view on slicing. This is the first view, slicing. When we give a cut or a slice, we get a plain face. So this is a cross section of a slice of a bread. Second, बात करेंगे shadowing की. When a circular plate or a cup is placed in the open, the sun at the noon is just above, right above it. ठीक है. So हम लोग क्या देखेंगे? Shadows of the cup. ये आपका एग्जाम्पल है, तो यहाँ पे आपका एग्जाम्पल हो गया ब्रेड का, ब्रेड स्लाइसेस के एग्जाम्पल हो गए. एंड दिस इज द एग्जाम्पल ऑफ अ कप्स शैडो. ऑलराइट, दो टेक्निक पढ़ी. स्लाइसिंग, जब हम ब्रेड को कट करते हैं तो हमें कैसा व्यू मिलता है? साइड व्यू में देखो हमें लोफ ऑफ ब्रेड भी दिख रहा है, स्लाइस भी दिख रही है, बट फ्रंट व्यू में हमें सिर्फ स्लाइस ऑफ द ब्रेड दिखेगा. अगर हम शैडो की बात करें, एक साइड हम देखेंगे तो लेफ्ट में आएगी शैडो, दूसरी साइड देखेंगे तो राइट से आएगी शैडो. दैट मीन्स शैडो इज एट देयर प्लेस, बट इट इज ओनली द मैटर फ्रॉम वेयर वी आर ऑब्जर्विंग. ऑलराइट, ओके. Looking a solid from a different angle. This is third technique which most of you must be aware about it. So this is the third technique. जब भी हम किसी चीज को टॉप से देखें, फ्रंट से देखें या साइड से देखें, there will be lot of difference. We will do so many examples also. वीडियो अच्छी लग रही तो प्लीज इसे लाइक करें जरूर और शेयर करें अपने फ्रेंड्स के साथ, औरों को भी आपकी वीडियो से हेल्प होगी. The front view and the top view, which can provide a lots of information about the shape observed. We can see three views. कितने views देख पा रहे हो? देखो, front view में आ गया डोर, side view में आपके पास आ गई विंडो, और top view में you can see a slanting triangle on either of the side. Okay, अब हम बढ़ते हैं आगे. Question 4. Identify the given views of the shape. Now this is the shape given to you. The front view is the view where you can see, B is the top view, and this is the side view. So please learn this also and learn and draw. उसके बाद आते हैं फिफ्थ पे, आइडेंटिफाई द गिवन व्यूज ऑफ द ब्लॉक. तो पहला इसमें हमारे पास जो है, जब हम ब्लॉक को देखेंगे लेफ्ट से, उसके बाद टॉप व्यू टॉप से, then we have right view, right side से देखेंगे. This is the front view when we observe it from the right. Okay, now we proceed further with the concept. Okay, so here we have come to the end of the concept of visualizing solid shapes. I hope you all have understood, and thanks for watching this video. Please, you can now find us on Facebook as Learn Easy. Share this video with your friends and don't forget to subscribe the YouTube channel for more updates. Also, you can find various links in the comment description box where you can search out the videos of the chapters you are facing difficulty in. In case you feel any difficult topic, please drop a comment in the comment section so that I can prepare some good videos for your better understanding. Thank you.